How to transfer your account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer your account to a new Android device. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone and now click on transfer account, and first step, download Signal on your new Android device. The second, tap on transfer or restore account. The third one, select transfer from Android device when prompted and then continue. Keep both devices nearby. And now click on continue and click on continue and allow all the stuff you're gonna need. And now turn on a location service and this is it. Now you should wait for them to search for a new Android device, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.